welcome on today's vlog. So on today's video we are going to unbox with you my new ring light. We are going to do cook with me. We are also going to bake a cake, and we are going also to do a shopping haul. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy the video. So I had ordered my ring light from Jumia, and it really came in handy and it is serving the purpose. So far I can't complain about it. So this is my ring light. Here I was trying to fix it and it's good. It's working. Particular day nilikuwa na prepare chaparis, and I tried to come with something different. I added butternut and carrot, and zilitoka poa. So people are used to cook chapati maybe with malenge kando ama carrot kando. So me, I tried to do something different. I tried kuzimix nione how the outcome will come out, and zilitoka poa. Yes. So kama hujui kupika chapati, this is the vlog for you. You can see on the video, I'm prepping my butternut and carrot. Nazitayarisha, then niziekelee kwa jiko. Zikiiva ni bonda bonde. I don't have a blender, so my mwiko. It is ready. We are going to mix it with our carrots. Then we add in sugar, salt, and flour. So our chapatis are like the ones zenye huwa zinapikwa tu huko nje. The only difference is tunachanganya tu our butternut with our carrot. Yes, and so here I'm adding our flour. Then I add salt, sugar, water. You can add in margarine if you like. You can also add in oil so that it will make our chapati soft. So here I'm kneading my chapati. Yes. So I'm kneading my dough. After I've kneaded my dough, I usually add some oil so that chapati zangu zitoke zikiwa soft na si ngumu. Yes. Around, I'm in love. There's something about you. I wish you were mine. So after kneading my dough, I usually give my dough time to rest. The more ina rest, the more unga inakuwa soft na the more utapata chapati soft. So hapo zisha rest, nakata unga yangu, so naifold ndo time nitakuwa roll out itanipea layers. Yes. So as you can see, I've already rolled out my chapatis. Now I'm pinning them out. Mimi kwanza naanzanga kuzikausha, then after nimezikausha zote naeka mafuta. They turned out perfectly. As you can see, the chapatis look soft. Nikaongeza mafuta. Yes, and they turned out so nicely, and I enjoyed them. So on the side, while my chapatis zilikuwa zinaiva, I was preparing my tea, and I took my chapatis with tea and some fruits on the side. So you can see our chapati turned out so well. On this particular day, I had gone for shopping at Chandarana Food Plus. Yes, I decided to pass in there. I didn't do much. I did a little shopping because it was on a mid-month. So guys, this is the shopping that I did. Yes, but I also bought some baking materials. I was planning to bake, and you can see there I have my sugar, Blue Band, food color, the compound, sprinkles, silver balls. Yeah. I also bought some disposable piping bags, eggs also. As a baker, you need not to lack eggs. There was eggs all purpose flour. And my cousin had come to visit, and so he didn't want to appear on the videos. So this is a different day. I was preparing dinner, and I was preparing ugali, greens, and scrabble eggs on the side. So here I did nothing. So here I did nothing much. It is the ordinary ugali and greens and just eggs, and on the side I took with some ugali ilikuwa inaiva. I was preparing my greens, and as you can see there, nikaanza kukaanga mboga zetu hapo. Yes. After our greens were ready, nikaenda, the next thing I did after my greens was ready, nikakaanga our eggs, and it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Nothing much. Our ugali came out perfectly and it was serving time at the same time eating time, and I enjoyed my ugali. So you can see kuwa sawa, kuwa tamu, and I enjoyed it. This was a different day and I decided to bake. I baked a normal vanilla cake, and first thing first, you measure your sugar and your margarine, then you start creaming in. After you have creamed in, you add your eggs in 3 portions. So after you have added the first portion, you add your flour, then you until it form an aqueous solution, then you add another layer of flour, and then you mix until it form a paste like solution. And this was exactly what I was doing there, and I didn't use any machine. I just bake with jiko and a gas. Our I've finished creaming in. I dusted my tins, then I divided my dough into 2 portions, and just like that we started baking. I used a jiko, and after that I made my cream. I did buttercream because I didn't have any machine to beat the other creams, and our cake came out perfectly. Yes, and we enjoyed it. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked it. So don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you on the next one. Bye for now. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is